Welcome to this guide on understanding and creating a RACI matrix. A RACI matrix is a powerful tool used in project management and business processes to clarify roles and responsibilities within a team or organization. RACI stands for Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, and Informed, which are the key roles defined in the matrix. In this video, we'll cover what a RACI matrix is, its benefits, and a step-by-step guide on how to create one. What is a RACI matrix? A RACI matrix is a visual representation that helps teams and individuals understand who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed for each task, decision, or process within a project or workflow. Responsible are. These are the individuals or team members responsible for executing a task or activity. They are the doers who perform the work. Accountable A. This is the person who has ultimate ownership and authority over a task or decision. They are responsible for ensuring the work gets done and for the final outcome. Consulted C. These are individuals or groups who need to provide input, expertise, or feedback before a task can be completed. They are actively engaged in the decision-making process. Informed I. These are the stakeholders who need to be kept informed about the progress or outcome of a task or decision, but are not directly involved in its execution. Section 2. Benefits of using a RACI matrix. Before we dive into creating a RACI matrix, let's understand why it's such a valuable tool. Clarity and alignment. It provides clarity on who is responsible for what, reducing confusion and overlapping roles. First, it will help with accountability. It clearly defines who is ultimately accountable for the success or failure of a task, promoting ownership. Second, it will help your team to become more efficient. By specifying who should be consulted and informed, it streamlines communication and decision-making. Third, the RACI matrix helps with conflict resolution. It can help prevent conflicts by setting clear expectations and boundaries. Risk mitigation. Identifying gaps or missing roles helps mitigate the risk of tasks being neglected. Lastly, the RACI matrix brings improved communication. It enhances communication within the team, ensuring everyone is on the same page. How to create a RACI matrix. Now, let's go through the steps to create a RACI matrix. Step 1. Identify the process or project. Determine what specific process, project, or task you want to create a RACI matrix for. It's crucial to have a clear scope. Step 2. List the tasks or activities. Break down the process or project into individual tasks or activities. These will become the rows in your matrix. Step 3. Identify roles. For each task or activity, identify the roles. Who is R, responsible? Who is responsible for performing the task? Who is A, accountable? Who is accountable for the task's overall success or failure? Who is C, consulted? Who needs to be consulted before decisions are made or actions are taken? Who is I, informed? Who needs to be informed about the task's progress or outcome? Step 4. Fill in the matrix. Create a matrix with tasks as rows and the identified roles as columns. Use R, A, C, or I to indicate the respective role for each task. Step 5. Review and review the RACI matrix with your team to ensure everyone agrees with their assigned roles. Revise it as necessary to achieve alignment. Step 6. Implement and monitor. Put the RACI matrix into action. Ensure that responsibilities are upheld and roles are actively managed throughout the project or process. Conclusion. A RACI matrix is an indispensable tool for clarifying roles and responsibilities within teams and organizations. It fosters accountability, streamlines communication, and enhances overall project or process efficiency.